guys, we were on the way to my hometown, Sakleshpura. So we stopped at Taj Palace. This is right after Nirmangla. When you just cross the Nirmangla junction, you will find this hotel. So we have visited like first time for this hotel. We're gonna see how the experience is gonna be and how tastes every gonna be. So this is my auntie, and hope you guys know that's Buju. Buju, say hi. Buju. She is sleeping more, and this is my wife Hima, and that's my mom. So we have ordered naan tandoori and green chicken. Grill. Innೊಂದು ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು? Grill. Chicken grill tandoori. Tandoori. So they ordered chicken tandoori and chicken dum biryani. So we're gonna experience this and we're gonna let you know how the taste and everything. So stay tuned, keep watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications. So that's it. So let's wait for the food and let's enjoy the food. So this is tandoori chicken full. So you see there are like 2 leg piece, and like it's actually full tandoori chicken, and I think this is sufficient for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So almost you're gonna get 8 pieces. I think this is more than sufficient. So let's wait for other things which we have ordered.
ಲೆಗ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಬೇಡವಾ?
ತೊಳಿ ಉಂಟು ಲೆಗ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? So this is chicken dum biryani, raita, and this is dal. We are waiting for naan. So once naan bandmele, so mummy okay. You can keep it here. Thank you, Will sir.
Welcome, sir. I made it a little faster for you.
Yeah, it's okay. Do you have cool drinks? So here comes naan, and that's naan. This is methi chicken. This is chicken, and here comes dal, biryani, and raita. So we have ordered lemon soda, and we're just waiting for that. ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀಯ ಬುಜ್ಜು, ನೋಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂದು ಇವಾಗ. So this is sweet lime soda, and here comes jeera lime soda and These are salt lime soda. Biryani. So even biryani is really good. So whatever we have ordered, we didn't regret for anything, and we really liked it everything. You get same taste when you like go out in Bangalore and order. So no compromise at all on quantity and quality also. It's really really nice. Actually, food was really good and we all enjoyed it. Auntie, ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು food? Super, ah?
ಸೂಪರ್.
ಬುಜ್ಜು ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಬುಜ್ಜು? ಏನು ತಿಂದಿದ್ದೀನ? ತಂದೂರಿನ?
ತಂದೂರಿ ಚಿಕನ್.
ತಂದೂರಿನ ಅದು ಏನು ಚಿಕನ್?
ಗ್ರಿಲ್.
ತಂದೂರಿ ಗ್ರಿಲ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಹೇಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಹೇಳು. ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳು? ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು? ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫುಡ್?
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್.
ಮಮ್ಮಿ? Okay, so we never visited here and this was our first visit and we are really happy about food and the hospitality, the way they took the order and the way they welcomed in and everything was really good. We felt that we having food at home or something. I don't know if this is because of a new hotel or what, but I really liked it and after having this food, I really don't care about the bill which gonna come, but I'm gonna still share the bill once I get the bill how much it costed. But we are happy and we are satisfied with the food. This is the bill which we have got, and it's not too much or something like that. You can see here, which says like tandoori. It cost at 390. We took tandoori chicken full, and we took chicken dum biryani, which is 180, reasonable price. Dal fry, which is 150, and we took kulcha butter naan, which was like 4 and 160. Green salad 30 rupees, methi chicken 260, and fresh lime soda 460 each. So this price is really like worth, and it's not too much to pay. So that's the bill which I wanted to show you. So this is Magai pan, which having from here. Really nice. ನಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ? ಆಯ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಮಗ ಇರಲ್ಲ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಗ ಇದೆ. So we're done with our dinner and now we're gonna have bida. Like after having a non-veg food, bida is the final touch-up, which I believe, and it's time to have this final touch-up. And this is the hotel. So guys, this is the hotel, Taj Palace Restaurant, and this is actually a family non-veg restaurant. Like you have juice, pan, food, and even they have party hall also, I think, over there. And that is Bangalore, Nelmangla, which is from Bangalore, and this is towards Hassan. So you get this as soon as you cross Nelmangla. Before reaching Nelmangla toll, you find this. So you can see the board over there. Nelmangla, I think that is the first toll you're gonna get in Hassan Highway. Before that, you find this restaurant. So finally, I'm really happy after having food, and even my mom, my auntie, and my wife, and that little Chotu also enjoyed it. Bye. Okay. How was food? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದಾ? Okay. ಹೇಳು, thank you for watching. Please, if you please subscribe. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು click on bell icon and if you like this give me thumbs up. ಹೇಳಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ thumbs up ತೋರಿಸ. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you are watching for the first time, please do subscribe our channel and click on that bell icon. Select all notification so you can get all my latest notification. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.